Hello, I'm Missy Huff with Haynes Huff Properties, and welcome to the Pacific Northwest. Yes, it's rainy. We're in Edmonds, Park View Twin Condominiums. 8 condominiums with a view not only of the park, but the Puget Sound and the Olympic Mountains. The other thing about this condo, it has a great walkability score, 87, which means very walkable. I want to know what that means though. Let's find out. Two minutes and 39 seconds for a pancake breakfast at the Pancake Haus. And look, 6 minutes and 49 seconds, I can get my nails done. And just 8 minutes and 19 seconds to downtown Edmonds, where you have everything. Mexican food, Thai food, a movie theater, baby's clothes, Starbucks right behind me. You can buy jewelry. This top floor corner unit features views of the Puget Sound and the Olympic Mountains. Sunsets are fabulous. It also features 2 bedrooms, 1 3/4 bath, heated floors in the hallway bath, cozy gas fireplace, cherry wood floors and cabinets, granite countertops, the list goes on and on. Not only does this condominium have excellent walkability, it's kind of ironic. It comes with 5 parking spots. You've got this tandem 3-car garage, or use the back part for flex space. Work out, crafts, use it as a theater, and 2 additional spaces outside the garage. So if you're looking for a home with excellent walkability or any home in the Puget Sound, give us a call.